this is just a follow-up video to my previous video on logging into websites using wget and cURL. Here we're looking at cURL. Again, this is a URL that I've created. You can go to test out logging in on my website. If I run cURL on this command, it's going to come back and say that I don't have permission to enter that because I haven't entered my credentials, my username and password. So what I could do is I can run this command. If I run that, hey, I log in, it dumps out the information for that page. So let's look at that command again. We're saying curl, the URL, and then I'm just doing a line break here, -H, capital H, it is case sensitive, that stands for header. A header is just extra information you're setting in the header of your request to tell the web server extra information or request extra things. Authorization : basic, and then we have this right here. So what is this right here? Well, if I was to echo that information into base 64, which I've talked a lot about in the past, and I say -D for decode, it's going to give us our username and password, neo:password. So all we're doing is passing the username and password in a different way. Don't think that this is any more secure than doing it the other way, because we're not encrypting stuff here, we're encoding stuff. As you saw, I was able to decode it without entering any passphrase. And of course, if you want to generate this for use in your scripts, and again, this is just another way of doing it, I'm going to say echo, and I can put in my username and password, and I'm going to actually also give it a -N for no new line, and E has to do with special characters. We're going to say base 64-W0. That means don't put any line breaks in it, and it will give you the base 64 that you can put in that header. So you can just put that in there for whatever website you're logging in. Again, this is the same as using username and password. It's just a different way of doing it. If anyone has any information on why you would do this over another way, because again, this is still your username and password here, and anybody can read it, so it's not encrypting it. Now, I'm bringing this up just as another option, but also when we get into more advanced websites, there might be other authorization and other header things we pass, and I just want to show this as a basic example. So again, there's a link in the description to this test website that you can go to, this test URL, and there's also links to all the notes from this video and the previous video. If you're lost, maybe watch the previous video and you see what's going on. I do thank you for watching. Please, again, visit filmsbychris.com. That's Chris with a K. There you can search through all my videos and scripts and notes and all that fun stuff. As always, I thank you for watching, and I hope that you have a great day.